Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Amit Sharma, and today we are here to discuss accounting treatment of partnership firm in case of losses. So let's start. If the firm incur losses during the year, partners will neither be allowed any interest on capital nor any salary or any kind of payment. Also, there is no profit to be appropriated, as such a P&L appropriation account will not be prepared. But the losses will be distributed amongst the partner through the profit and loss account. So this is the case which is related to the losses. So now the question arises, sir, how can we deal it when there is a situation of break even, or there is a situation of BEP, break even point situation? Means, sir, suppose there is no profit and no loss in that situation, then this situation is also called the no because there is no profit. So how can we prepare P&L appropriation account? Because the appropriation is only possible in that situation when there is a profit. If there is a loss or no loss, and here no loss means no profit as well, in that situation we only prepare P&L account and we deal all these transactions through the P&L account. I hope you understand. तो बेसिक फंडा क्या है कि अगर लॉस है तो एप्रोप्रिएशन नहीं बनेगा, यानी नो प्रॉफिट नो एप्रोप्रिएशन. अब प्रॉफिट कम है, ज़्यादा है, ठीक ठाक है, वो एक अलग केस है. तो जिस एक्सटेंट तक प्रॉफिट होगा उस एक्सटेंट तक एप्रोप्रिएशन भी होगा. लेकिन अगर लॉस है या प्रॉफिट ज़ीरो है तो उस कंडीशन में एप्रोप्रिएशन नहीं बनेगा. थैंक यू. आई होप आपको समझ में आया होगा. धन्यवाद.